In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a table of contents to your WordPress site. This simple feature can greatly improve navigation, make long posts easier to browse, and help your readers jump directly to the sections they care about. Whether you're creating detailed guides, blog posts, tutorials, or informational articles, a table of contents keeps everything organized and user-friendly. To begin, open your browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button in the top right corner. Click it, and you'll be taken to the login options. One of the quickest ways to sign in is by choosing Continue with Google. If your Google account is linked to your WordPress website, this option saves time and keeps the login process simple. When the Google account list appears, select the account you use for managing your WordPress site. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at your main dashboard. On the right-hand side of this dashboard, you'll see a section labeled Quick Links. These shortcuts help you navigate quickly. Click on the one that says Edit Site to open the main WordPress editor. Now that you're inside the editor, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see an Add button. This is where you insert new blocks into your page or post. Blocks are the core building elements of WordPress and are used for everything: text, images, media, embeds, and advanced tools. Click the Add button and a search bar will appear. Type Table of Contents into the search field. WordPress will instantly filter through its library and show a block named Table of Contents. When you see it, click the block to insert it into your page or post. Once the Table of Contents block is added, it automatically scans the headings in your content. It pulls each heading into a structured list that your readers can click. This means every section with heading formatting, like heading 2 or heading 3, will appear as a link in the table. Each link takes the reader directly to that part of the page, which makes long articles much easier to navigate. You can move the block around and position it wherever you want, usually at the beginning of the article for easy access. Many creators place it right under the introduction, but you can adjust the layout to match your style. Adding a table of contents may sound like a small change, but it has a big impact. It keeps your content organized, helps visitors stay engaged longer, and makes your site feel more professional. Readers can jump straight to the topics they're searching for, which improves their overall experience and reduces frustration from endless scrolling. That's all it takes to add a table of contents to your WordPress site. With just a few steps, you've created a cleaner, more structured layout for your audience. Feel free to return to this guide whenever you need a quick reminder, and continue expanding your site with more helpful features.